So guys, as you can see, this is the inside of laser distance meter. As you can see, this is the IC that is controlling the laser light, laser LED. As you can see, we have two here, the bigger one and the smaller one, guys. So this is the IC that control everything, guys, and this is for the switch. All the buttons, as you can see, all these buttons was connected here, and this is the screen connector, guys. As you can see, the inductor, this is for the battery input, negative and positive, and this is our switch. This is our screen, sorry, this is the screen that display everything, guys, and this is the laser film, as you can see. So this is the laser LED, guys. As you can see, this is the bigger laser LED and this is the smaller one, as you can see, guys. So these are the IC that we have inside the laser distance meter, and this. So guys, that's all we have inside this laser distance meter, as you can see. So this is all the IC we have inside. So this is the film that will display everything. As you can see, this is the big LED, laser LED, guys. So that's all we have inside it. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.